What's good, people? I'm back with another video on the MCM belts. You may have seen the previous video where I just reviewed them kind of. Now I'm going to be getting into them a bit more. This one's actually about the difference between the two widths. I believe one is 4.2 centimeters and the other one is 3.8 centimeters. So there is a bit of a difference. One is thinner and I'll get into that. The buckle on one is actually smaller. Aside from that, I don't think there's actually any other differences. We can actually just get into that now. So this is the standard size, well, the size they first made, I believe. And then this is the newer, thinner belt. So when I put them together like that, you can kind of tell a difference between sizing. It is a difference, but it isn't a difference. Let me just try to get this on the camera properly so you can actually see the difference. So there is a difference, but at the same time it's not much of a difference, so I can just put them on top. I'm risking my belts for you people. So as you can see, it's only a few millimeters different, so that's 4 millimeters there. And the belts, the buckles are two different sizes, as you can tell just by the width and also the height. So this one would be, let's say, 4 millimeters bigger this way, leaving fingerprint marks on. So 4 millimeters height. This one's 4 millimeters smaller. And the difference in the actual length, there's not really a difference in length, and they both end with a MCM logo upwards. So that's one thing you have to be aware of on MCM belts. All legit belts would end with an MCM logo the straight way, as you do know, or if you don't know, they do have them upside down, straight, upside down, straight. I'm not going to really tell you how to tell real or fakes right now. I'll do that in another video, a more detailed one. So the inside, same. MCM belts usually do come with a little thing like to kind of protect that. So I really do like MCM belts. They are not real leather, unfortunately. I don't know if that's a plus or a minus, as I've only ever had non-leather belts. I've had a real leather belt, but I can't really tell the difference if I'm honest. Like, a belt's a belt. If you like it, you like it. I've had a few which were very good quality, nice and fashionable. I've ruined one wearing it non-stop. But yeah, that's just kind of the difference between the belts. Not really much difference between them except for sizing. It's the same design, same everything, same sort of leather. I prefer the bigger one. I don't know why. I just prefer the bigger one. The smaller one is not bad. It's just a bit different in regards to size. And that's pretty much it. I just prefer the bigger one. Nice thick belt. It goes well with a lot of things, and always a gold buckle. I did have a silver buckle previously. I gave that to a friend, and now I'm gold buckles. So I will be doing another video on how to tell if an MCM belt is legitimate. So just watch out for that one. I'll probably release it after this one. And check out the other MCM belt videos, and take care, guys. Also, if you do want me to authenticate, you can reach me on the socials, or you can send me a message in YouTube or comment, and I can authenticate a belt for you. That's not a problem. And yeah, take care, guys.